Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our chapter 8 practice set 33. Hope you must have practiced practice set 32. In last video we have seen about algebraic expressions, how they are we have to find them as monomial, binomial, trinomial or polynomial. Now in practice set 33 two expressions were given to you. You have to add them. For adding there are two methods, one is horizontal one and one is vertical one. In first one I will show you both the methods, vertical also and horizontal also. You can solve by anyone. So let us first do by horizontal. This side I will show you the vertical. So these are the two expressions. The first one is 9p plus 16q. The second one is 13p plus 2q. So first method is for horizontal one. Put them in bracket. This is horizontal arrangement. First I am showing by horizontal. First put this both the expressions in bracket. 9p plus 16q. What we are doing, adding. So in between them you will put the sign of plus. Second bracket you will put this another expression 13p plus 2q. These both are binomial because there are two terms. Now after putting the plus sign, first step, in between them open the brackets. So 9p plus 16q plus, when there is plus sign and you are opening the brackets, the plus sign will not get changed. So this plus will remain as it is, plus 13p plus plus is plus only, so 2q. When there is plus, no sign gets changed. Now after that we have to collect the like terms together. Like terms means now here pp, these two are like terms, and QQ. So like terms will be getting added together. So PP I will take together 9P plus 13P, and QQ I will take together. So plus 16Q plus 2Q. So there are two P terms and two Q terms. So collecting like terms is your third step. Now add it. Add the numbers first. 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9 is 22. And this alphabet P you have to put it only one time. Plus 16 plus 2, add the number. 16 plus 2 is 18, and Q you have to write only one time. So what is your final answer? 22P plus 18Q. So this was in the horizontal arrangement. Now here we will see vertical arrangement also. Can solve by any one method. Vertical arrangement. First question, first expression write as it is above, 9p plus 16q plus, this expression should be written down, 13p. pp should be written together, qq written together like terms, one above the other. So 13p will come here plus 2q. Now after that add it. Plus plus is plus only, so 16 plus 2 is 18. Q you write one time, plus 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 is plus, 13 plus 9 is 22, and P we write once as it is. So answer should be same of both the arrangements, vertical also and horizontal. So 22P plus 18Q, 22P plus 18Q. So both the method I have shown, any one method you can solve it. Now let's move to the second sum. I am doing by horizontal. So these are the two expressions, 2a plus 6b plus 8c, 16a plus 13c plus 18b. So let's put a first step is putting them in bracket and put plus sign in between them. 16a plus 13c plus 18b. After that open the bracket. 2a plus 6b plus 8c plus, if there is plus sign the inside signs will not get changed. So 16a plus 13c plus 18b. Now what is the next step? Collecting like terms together. A will write together, B will write together, C will write together. So 2a plus 16a, these two are like terms, plus 6b plus 18b plus 8c plus 13c. So A, B, C, like terms together we have collected. Now we will add. Add the numbers plus 16 plus 2 is 18. 18a, alphabet write one time only, plus 6 plus 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 24b, plus 13 plus 8, 21. 21c. So this is our final answer. This was in horizontal one. Similarly, we can solve it by vertical also. Now anyone you can solve it. Now let's move to the third one. Third sum. Third sum is 13x square minus 12y square. Second expression 6x square minus 8y square. First step is put them inside the bracket. So 13x square minus 12y square plus 6x square minus 8y square. I have put them in brackets, and we are adding, so I have put it plus sign in between the two brackets. What is the next step? Open the brackets. 13x square minus 12y square plus 6x square plus minus is minus only 8y square. After opening the bracket, you know the next step, collecting like terms. X square is a like term, so collect them together. Y square together. 13x square plus 6x square minus 12y square minus 8y square. So we have collected the like terms together, x square, y square. Add the numbers plus 13 plus 6 is 19. X square we will write one time only, so 19x square. Now here minus is plus, so we have to add the numbers. 12 and 8 is 20, 20y square, and sign of greater number is minus. So the answer is 19x square minus 20y square. Let's move to the fourth sum. 17a square b square plus 16c. Second expression is 28c minus 28a square b square. Put them in the bracket. First step, 17a square b square plus 16c plus 28c minus 28a square b square. Now after putting them in bracket, open the bracket. Next step, 17a square b square plus 16c plus 28c minus 28a square b square. Now just collect the like terms, a square b square, a square b square. So these two terms will take together, and this 16c and 16c and 28c will take together. So 17a square b square minus 28a square b square plus 16c plus 28c. So these two like terms we got. Now just add and subtract it. Here no sign means it is plus. Plus minus is minus. So 28 minus 17. 11. 11 a square b square. Alphabets we put it one time only. Sign of greater number. 28 is greater, its sign is minus. So it will be minus. Plus is plus only. 16 and 28 is 8 and 6, 14, 2, 3, 4. 44. So plus 44c. Sign of greater number is plus only. So answer is minus 11a square b square plus 44c. Now let's move to the fifth sum. 3y square minus 10y plus 16, 2y minus 7. Put them in the bracket and plus sign in between them. Now next step, open the bracket. 3y square minus 10y plus 16 plus 2y minus 7. What is the next step? Collecting like terms. 3y square. For y square any term is there, y square no. So keep this term as it is. If there is no term of y square, keep it as it is. Next one is minus 10y. Y term is there, plus 2y. So this we have to put together. Plus 16 and minus 7, these are numbers. So these two are only like term. This one is, we have to write as it is. 3y square. Minus plus is minus. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Variable is y. Sign of greater number minus. So 3y square minus 8y. Plus minus is minus. 16 minus 7 is 9. Sign of greater number is plus. 16 sign is plus. So here will be plus sign. So it is our final answer. 3y square minus 8y plus 9. See the last one, sixth sum. Minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16. Second expression is 3y square plus 8. 7y square plus 8. Put them in bracket first. Next step is open the brackets. Minus 3y square plus 10y minus 16 plus 7y square plus 8. Next step, collect the like terms. Minus 3y square plus y square, 7y square, y square, y square. These two are like terms. Write them together. Minus 3y square plus 7y square plus 10y. Y term is not there, so we'll keep as it is. Minus 16 and plus 8, they are numbers. So these two and these two are only like terms. Minus plus is minus, so 7 minus 3 is 4. Alphabet is y square. Sign of greater number is plus, no need of putting plus sign. Plus 10y is single term, put as it is. Minus plus is minus, 16 minus 8 is 8. Sign of greater number is minus. So our answer is 4y square plus 10y minus 8. So here we have ended our practice set number 33. The next part we will see about subtract practice set number 34.